Alright, welcome back to another video, y'all. As you can tell, I've already done laid out some of this stuff. Well, I laid out everything, really. So, what I'm making today is chicken and shrimp Tortellini Alfredo. So, it's not going to be hard to make. I mean, this is one of the easiest things. So, first of all, here's the ingredients. I got cooked shrimp that was already peeled and deveined, chicken breast, Parmesan, Alfredo sauce, cheese tortellini. I got the family pack. There's another bag of shrimp. Real bacon bits, or bacon pieces. So that's my ingredients. Now you can add whatever you want to it. You can add hamburger, sausage, anything that you, or you can just eat it plain without the meats or anything. You can just eat the tortellini Alfredo. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up a jar of Alfredo and put this down in the bottom. Put it down at the bottom. Then I can go ahead and put the chicken and shrimp down, let that cook up a little bit, because that'll be the most, that'll take the longest to cook. So I'm going to put that right there. And another jar of this. Should have got more probably. Alright, that should be enough to coat the bottom. Sit that right there for a few. Now, simple. The shrimp is deveined and detailed, so all you gotta do is just dump it. Now, I got the medium size. Which, I mean, they're not really medium. Actually, they are medium. Where's my packet? It says you can tear or cut. So there's the shrimp. Get my spoon here and kind of, there you go. Like I said, this is going to take the longest to cook is the shrimp and the chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave these in here cooking like that. And I forgot to clean the spoon off, which, my bad on that one. Alright, so you got your chicken breast. I always use this frozen because they're cheaper. Look how huge these things are. I'm just throw them right there. These things are huge. Put that one right there. That one can probably go in the middle. Put that one there. I don't need all these, but one more little piece right there, that'll work. So, now, I'm going to add a little bit of liquid to it, so I'm going to add a little bit of milk. There we go. Now, back up. Put that right there to sink for right now. And one more huge chicken breast. I'll save that one for later. That'll be my lunch. So, the rest of this stuff, I'm just going to lay right out there. Leave that there. So I'm going to put this on high. Probably about, want to probably check it a couple hours. Until everything starts to come together. So, this is chicken shrimp Tortellini Alfredo. And again, this is in a Crockpot meal. So, I'll check this out in a couple of minutes, in a couple of hours. Alright, so, it has been 2 hours since I put everything together. So let me actually take the lid off here and do some stirring, and then I'll add the rest of the stuff to it. Starting to look pretty good. Chicken, there's a little bit of the shrimp right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the tortellini. I know it says cut right there to open, but you know what, I'm gonna do it my way. Okay. Okay, I want to cut all the way. There we go. So cut this out like that. Now I got 2 bags of the family size. I only probably needed 1. These are the cheese tortellinis. So go ahead and add this in to the stuff. Yeah, got too much here. And this in there. There's one more. Put that there. Now, grab these and put these in here. Yes, I'll let them thaw out a little bit because they're going to be easier to cook. So, put that in there like that. Put those in the bottom here. And yes, I have a little bit of extra liquid. So, I'm going to add a little bit more Alfredo to this. Get the chicken down in there. There you go. Get these pasta noodles. Push them down in there like so. Now, where's my other? There's the rest of my Alfredo. Probably only needed 2 jars of this stuff. Alright. That. I just love Alfredo in general. Alfredo is very good. Yes, it can be fattening. But I am making this as I go. And again, this is the cheese tortellini. So, I'm going to also add Parmesan to this. And real bacon bits. I'll go ahead and add a bag to that. Let's see that preservative. Oh, this is gonna look good, y'all. Okay. Added the bacon to it. Probably got too much. But this will last me a couple of days, so. Yeah. That all covered up. Now I may use the other bag of bacon. Okay. Now let's get that in there like that. Alfredo. Push that down a little bit. And like I said, you can use whatever you want in this recipe. I mean, this is your recipe, basically. This is just mine. I use the chicken, the shrimp, the tortellini, the Alfredo sauce, and bacon. But I mean, you could use whatever you want in this. Alright, it has been exactly 4 hours since we started this, since I started this. I say we because you're part of this channel too. So let's take a look at this. I've been adding some Parmesan to it. So let's just take a look at this and see what it looks like. Ooh. Parmesan needs to be melted a little bit more, so I'll stir it up. But I believe this is done. Oh yeah, this is done. Take a look at this, y'all. I wish y'all can smell how good this smells right now. It's really amazing. Used the other bag of bacon bits or bacon pots or bacon pieces, according to the package. But yeah, this is amazing. Smells amazing. Let's see here. Maybe the chicken is not done yet. I don't know. I'll have to go digging for it. There's a piece of chicken. And it's still a little tough, but you know, the noodles and the shrimp is done. So there's another piece of chicken right there. So it's not quite, the chicken's not quite done yet. Everything else is. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Go to my other channel, King Sport Explorers, and like the video, subscribe to that channel. It is now monetized, so check out the membership perks and everything on there. And we will see you all later. Peace, y'all.